friends, welcome to Cooking with Kyra. I'm Kyra and this is my daughter Ellie.
Hi.
Today we're going to be making campfire cones, but first we're going to be reading a story called Scaredy Squirrel Goes Camping by Melanie Watt.
He looks a little scary when you smile.
You think so? Warning! Scaredy Squirrel insists you check your zippers before reading this book.
Zip, zip.
Scaredy Squirrel never goes camping. He'd rather be comfortable inside than risk going out in the rugged wilderness. Besides, setting up camp seems like a lot of trouble. A few troublemakers Scaredy Squirrel is afraid could get too close for comfort. Skunks? Ooh, P.U.
Mosquitoes.
Quicksand.
The three bears. Penguins.
Penguins?
Zippers. Zippers? Zippers aren't dangerous. Oh yeah, they could get caught in the zipper.
Oh, yeah. So he finds a simple way to sit back and enjoy camping from a safe distance. So he's got his TV all set up and he's going to watch The Joy of Camping on TV. That's how Scaredy Squirrel camps. Scaredy Squirrel sets up his new television, but he realizes there's a problem. He needs to plug it in.
There's no plug.
Reaching the nearest electrical outlet will require major survival skills. It looks like there's a sign here saying there's a campground this way with an electrical outlet. It's probably got a long way to go. A few survival supplies Scaredy Squirrel needs to pack. Really long extension cord,
Yep.
popsicles, tomato juice,
bag of
cement,
dictionary, pliers,
instant
an
oatmeal.
fan. Why does it have to be a dictionary?
I don't know. The wilderness outfit. Netted
Red hat.
to dodge bugs. A penny to bring good luck. A neckerchief to scout. Nose plug to bypass nasty odors. Water wings to stay afloat. A badge to signal peaceful intentions. A walkie-talkie to stay in contact. Camouflage jacket to blend into the great outdoors. Rubber boots to be quick and dry. And no,
Zipper.
the Scaredy motto. A prepared camper is a happy camper.
Why popsicles?
So this is his campground mission. He's going to start in the tree at the comfort zone. He's going to place a walkie-talkie at the foot of the tree to stay in contact. Mosquitoes are itching to get you. Fan yourself to blow off these thirsty critters. Keep a nose out for skunks. If sprayed, overreact. Wash off the stink with gallons of tomato juice. Quicksand will bring you down. To avoid that sinking feeling, mix in cement. You're not out of the woods until you get past the three bears. Their weakness, oatmeal. Serve them a quick bowl and do not snooze. Wherever there are coolers, penguins rule. They're as cold as ice and won't warm up to you. Toss popsicles to occupy their sharp beaks. Campsites host a zillion zippers. If you get caught, use pliers to break loose. Wear water wings to stay above it all. Nose plugs are a must in this area. That's where the bathrooms are. Note to self, if outlet is too high, use dictionary as a step. That's what he needs a dictionary for. The Scaredy pledge. Planning is everything. Do you think that's a good plan? That's a pretty intense plan.
Yeah.
The rubber boot camp. This is Scaredy Squirrel's warm-up routine. It says repeat 143 times. That's a lot of times. The Scaredy promise. A fit squirrel is a safe squirrel. The fitness training charts. Here's his obstacle course practice run. The Scaredy law of the fitness. Run, but never run into trouble. The outdoor conditions. Sun, go. Cloud, wait. Rain, wait. Wind, wait. Snow, wait. Volcano activity, cancel. That's good. That's a good plan.
Yeah.
The Scaredy Rule. If all else fails, take cover and play dead. The following afternoon, right on schedule, Scaredy Squirrel proceeds toward the campground. Scaredy tugs, he pulls, he loop the loops, but suddenly a penguin appears. This was not part of the plan. Scaredy Squirrel panics. It's a fake penguin at the mini putt. He spins, he dashes, he bolts, he crashes, he climbs, he takes cover, and plays dead. 30 minutes later, 1 hour later, 2 hours later, he's still playing dead. Scaredy Squirrel finally gets the drift. He forgets all about the skunks, mosquitoes, quicksand, 3 bears, penguins, and zippers. The wilderness isn't meant to be seen from afar. It's meant to be enjoyed up close. Scaredy breathes the fresh air, savors roasted marshmallows, gazes up at the stars, gathers pine cones, listens to songs, and gets comfortable. Early the next morning, Scaredy Squirrel plugs in his extension cord and follows it back home. This wild adventure has inspired him to approach camping differently. Look, what's he got? What did he plug in? What is it?
A toaster.
A toaster, and he's toasting his marshmallow with the toaster. P.S. Some things are worth the trouble. The end. All right, friends, now that we've read our story, we're ready to start making our campfire cones. First, we're going to go over your ingredients, which you should have received in the bag you picked up from New Lenox Public Library. In your bag, you should have 1 waffle cone. Be very gentle with your waffle cone. A bag of Teddy Grahams. 2 chocolate bars.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
And a bag of marshmallows.
Yummy.
From home, for your supplies, you will need a baking sheet and an aluminum foil. All right, friends, let's get started making our campfire cones. Now, you can make these in an actual campfire, but today it's raining outside, so we're going to be making them in the oven. So the first thing you'll want to do is, with your parents' help, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then we're going to take our cones out of the bag very gently. They're fragile.
Very fragile.
And your ingredients to put in your cones are all there for you. You got your Teddy Grahams, your chocolate, and your marshmallows.
So, do you have to put them in a particular order?
Nope, you put them in however you want. I think that layering them is probably the best way to go. So maybe some marshmallows at the bottom, then a little bit of chocolate, then some Teddy Grahams, and then maybe marshmallows again.
I know what I'm going to do.
Well, you have your own ingredients over there. So you can kind of do it however you want. So I'm going to start with a couple of marshmallows. What are you going to start with, your Teddy Grahams?
I'm going to start with mine Teddy because I want to make it feel like a real s'more.
Oh, okay. Add some more marshmallows. Do another piece of chocolate or 2. Are you snacking? Add a couple more bears. And then top it off with some marshmallows. Oh. Do you want some help with yours?
I want the chocolate next, and then the Teddy Grahams again.
Okay. Now put some Teddy Grahams in.
Now I want some more.
Is there anything you're excited about for summer?
To swim in my pool.
To swim in your pool, yeah. That'll be fun. All right, put them in there. Good job. All right, now that we have our cones filled, we're gonna take our aluminum foil.
I'll use mine to improvise.
And we're gonna wrap our cones up in it. So put it down.
I don't want anything to fall out.
It's not gonna fall out. And just wrap it up. Bada bing, bada boom.
How long do we put them in the oven for?
Well, we're gonna put them on our baking sheet, and then we're gonna put them in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll enjoy them together. All right, friends, it's been about 7 minutes, and our cones are out of the oven. Remember when you're putting your cones into the oven and taking them out to have your parent or guardian help you with that. The foil might be a little warm, but it shouldn't be too hot. So we're gonna unwrap our cones. You can go ahead.
I don't know if this one's mine.
Well, we'll see in a second.
This one's mine.
Oh, man.
I did Teddy Bears.
You want to cheers? Cheers. Oh, let's see the inside. Can you show? All right, let's try them. Cheers. Cheers. So good. All right, friends. Thanks for joining us today on Cooking with Kyra. We hope that you have an awesome summer, and we'll see you guys in the fall.
Subscribe!